Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a really new fun video. This is a really special headband that we're making today. It's crocheted, but it doesn't actually look like it. It's made of this fake fur wool, and it's super nice and fluffy. Yeah, really soft in a nice like pastel pink. And I actually bought this wool last week at Action. Maybe you saw it in my haul. If you haven't, then go ahead and have a little peek because there's some really cute wool in there. How exactly I did this, I'm going to show you now. Have fun! Okay guys, so here we are going to start with this tutorial. Yeah, I bought this at Action, and yeah, it's just a really nice pastel pink. It's 100% polyester, 200 grams and 120 meters long. And I think it's recommended for size 10 to 12 crocheting hooks. Yes, that's exactly right. And that's, yeah, that's a good recommendation. I'm going to use my size 10 here. And let's get started. So I actually already pulled out the middle of the ball. And I'm going to start here with some chain stitches. We will start here with 7 chain stitches. 2 of those are already for the height. We're going to go back in half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little difficult to make out where exactly the stitches are. So what we're going to do here is we will just, kind of feel our way around more than actually look. And so here we skip the first 2, and then we go into the next stitch and do a half double crochet. And then we kind of feel forward just to see where the next stitch is. So here we have 3 stitches left. And so, yeah, kind of with my thumb and middle finger, I can kind of feel out where these stitches are, instead of actually like looking for them. So I'm kind of just feeling and seeing where is my next spot to, poking. Okay, this is the 4th one, and this is the 5th and last one. Okay, so in this row we have 5 half double crochets. And yeah, you just can't see much, it's super fluffy, but that's kind of the idea. Okay, so we're going to continue, and every row we will do 5 half double crochets, and we start each row with 1 chain stitch for height, and then we turn it around. This is because we are going in deeper. So instead of going into the stitch, we will go in between the half double crochets of the row before. And so I loop around the yarn, and then where just my finger was poking through, I go in and pull the thread through, and then pull the thread through the loops. Okay, then again, through all 3. Here again. Okay, we've done this now 4 times, so we're missing 1. And then this row is done as well. So as you can see, you can't see much. Maybe with a little bit of imagination, you can kind of make out where or what you're doing. But yeah, I definitely recommend trying to feel it out and just make sure you go in between the stitches and not into the stitch. So yeah, we have 5 spots here where we're going in, and that's always what we will count out to make sure we have all 5. Okay, so again, we started here this row with 1 chain stitch for height, and then we turn it all around and then start again with the half double crochets. Okay, we already have 1 half double crochet. And 3. So we're missing 2. And this is number 5. So this row is also done. And as you can see, this is gaining nice height here. And I'm going to continue crocheting this a little while longer, and I'll give you an update in a little. And I'm gonna, yeah, continue crocheting this until I have the length that I want for my headband. So I'm gonna go for about, 40 centimeters. That depends on the size of the head for the person who's crocheting it. Yeah, and with the 5 half double crochets, we actually already have, a nice width here for sure. And I'll see you at the update. Okay guys, welcome to the update. As you can see, this has gotten much longer in the meantime, so I reached the length that I wanted to reach. So you just kind of measure the circumference of your head and then maybe deduct like 1 or 2 centimeters just so it's nice and tight and doesn't fall down. And then we put the 2 ends on top of each other. So we have here on the right front, we have the part that we were just working on. So yeah, where the thread and your hook is connected to, and then we put the other end just below, and we will poke in into the part where we started, and I will pull the thread through both sides. Okay, and then I will crochet this really simply together with slip stitches. So I always just poke my hook through both sides of the fabric, and then I pull it through, and then we go on to the next stitches. Always make sure you get through both sides. This is really important. And then here again, poke through, pull through. And this all the way over to the other side. Then we can shorten these threads here. Then we can pull through, we can pull them out and then kind of pull it tight. Now obviously we still have to go and hide these threads, the beginning one and the end thread. And then our headband is actually already done. So as you've seen now, it's really easy. You can't tell at all if this was knitted or crocheted or whatever. Because it's just so fluffy. But that's, like I was saying, this is kind of the point. I think it's just really cute, and I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you'll always be notified about new videos. And I'll see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye!